Want to build a deck in a day? 4 posters will let you do that. Normally, you're on day 2 by the time you get to this stage because you've had to set the post and wait for the concrete to go off before you move on. This one here, we can have this completed within an hour of now and start doing the decking, and that's all on day 1. So 1 day, 1 deck. Okay, so we've got 4 posters, 1 at each corner. As you can see, the posts are all wonky. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to roughly level them up. Not even going to use the level at this point. I'm just going to get them looking about right and about square. There we go. How's that one? That's 1 done. So I'm just going to run around to all 4 positions and just get them about right. Maybe a little bit that way. I think that's pretty good as well. There's the locking screw. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the 4 corners set. By no means locked in. We can still shift them left, right. They're in approximately the right position. So what we can do now, we can sit the bearers, which are pre-cut to length, and we can get the dimensions spot on. So that's the top of my bearer. 525. All right, 325. On this plan, I want this to be level with this. That's all right. Poster, we got the flexibility here. That'll come up about right. That one. Okay, so for this job, we now have our posters supporting the 4 holes, no concrete in them as yet, all still capable of being moved around and fine-tuned. And we're just going to show you, on this job, we have 6 holes going into the ground, but we don't need another poster for this one. This one's just going to sit like this once I mark the right position, and it's going to dangle there. I'm just using regular old F-clamps here, but you can use what you want. I'm just going to check the alignment and check the diagonals. Now, as we were saying earlier, the beauty of this system is we are still free to make fine adjustments, move this one a little bit, move that one a little bit, and get the whole thing absolutely perfectly square because the posts are not yet set into the ground.